Hello and welcome. We're going to talk about certain bills that seniors are legally not required to pay in 2026. But here's the fascinating and frustrating part. The majority of seniors who are eligible for these exemptions are paying them anyway, month after month. This isn't because the exemptions are fake, it's because no one ever informed them. These cost-saving programs are not automatic. The federal government won't call you to offer help, and your local utility company won't send you a notice saying you can stop paying. It falls on you to be aware of these programs and to take a single, crucial step. So today, I'm going to detail each of these exemptions, what costs they cover, the qualifications for eligibility, how much money you can save, and the precise action you need to take. You might want to have a pen and paper handy to jot down the ones that could apply to your situation. I can practically guarantee that by the time this video is over, you'll have discovered at least one benefit you weren't aware of. Before we dive in, please subscribe to this channel and click the notification bell. The rules for these programs are constantly changing. Income thresholds are adjusted, new exemptions are created, and application deadlines pass. I keep a close watch on all these changes and bring you the information before the opportunity is lost. The subscribers on this channel get the updates in time to act. So, subscribe now and let's begin. The first bill we'll address is the monthly Medicare Part B premium, which currently stands at $202.90. This amount is automatically deducted from your Social Security benefits each month before the money ever reaches your bank account. Many seniors just assume this is a fixed, unavoidable cost of being on Medicare for the rest of their lives. That is not true. There are three key federal initiatives known as Medicare Savings Programs, MSPs, that are designed to pay this premium for you, covering the full amount every single month. The most extensive of these is the Qualified Medicare Beneficiary Program, or QMB. The QMB program does more than just handle your Part B premium. It also pays for your Medicare deductibles, your co-payments, and your co-insurance. Essentially, all the out-of-pocket costs that Medicare typically asks you to cover can be eliminated. If you are a single person with a monthly income below $1,350, or a married couple with a combined income under $1,824, there's a strong chance you qualify. Even if your income is slightly above those limits, don't give up. Two other programs, the Specified Low-Income Medicare Beneficiary, SLMB, and the Qualifying Individual, QI program, can still help. For a single person with an income up to $1,816, these programs will, at the very least, completely cover that $202.90 monthly premium. Here's the critical detail that many people overlook. These programs require you to enroll. Nobody does it for you. The premium will continue to be deducted from your Social Security check forever until you formally apply. You can start the process by calling 1-800-MEDICARE or by visiting medicare.gov to locate your state's Medicaid office and submit an application. It's just one application. That single form is what separates you from putting an extra $2,434 back into your annual budget. Next up is Bill number 2, the cost of prescription drugs. Many individuals enrolled in a Medicare Part D plan believe they have complete coverage. While they are covered, covered does not mean free. A federal program called Extra Help, which is also referred to as the Low Income Subsidy, or LIS, can dramatically reduce your medication expenses. This program sets a cap on what you pay for drugs at just $5.10 for generic medications and $12.65 for brand-name drugs. There's no additional premium and no deductible to meet. That's the maximum you'll ever pay, no matter the actual retail price of your prescription. For 2026, the income eligibility limit for Extra Help is $23,940 a year for an individual, which works out to about $2,000 per month. If your income falls below this threshold and you haven't applied, you are likely spending hundreds of dollars more than necessary every single month for essential medications. You can apply for Extra Help directly through the Social Security Administration at ssa.gov or by calling them at 1-800-772-1213. And here's a valuable tip that isn't widely known. If you've already been approved for any of the Medicare savings programs we discussed earlier, QMB, SLMB, or QI, you are automatically enrolled in Extra Help. You don't need to file a separate application. The benefit is applied automatically. Let's move on to Bill number 3. Your heating and cooling expenses. I want to highlight the timing on this one because right now, in the summer of 2026, this has become particularly urgent. The Low-Income Home Energy Assistance Program, often called LIHEAP, provides direct payments to your utility provider to cover your energy bills. This isn't a discount, it's an actual payment made on your behalf to your gas or electric company. The application window for summer cooling assistance is open right now in many states, and it operates on a first-come, first-served basis. Once the allocated funds for a state are depleted, the program closes for the year. For instance, Pennsylvania's deadline is June 30th. If you reside in Pennsylvania and haven't applied yet, you have days, not weeks, to act. States like Nebraska and Virginia have their windows open throughout the summer months, while Alabama's program is open until September. If you are age 60 or older, most states give you priority access. You're often able to apply a full month before the program opens to the general public. This is a significant advantage because LIHEAP is funded with $4.05 billion for 2026, but each state's portion of that funding is used up at a different rate. Those who apply early secure the assistance. Those who delay until later in the summer often discover that the funds have already been exhausted. To locate your state's LIHEAP office, simply dial 211 from your phone. This is the National Social Services Hotline, and they can connect you to the correct local office in just a few minutes. As a reminder, always verify program details and deadlines through official state government websites. For those who qualify for LIHEAP, there's also the Weatherization Assistance Program. This related federal program can send a team to your home to add insulation, seal air leaks, and even repair or upgrade your heating and cooling systems, all at no cost to you. This can permanently reduce your energy bills. You are allowed to apply for both of these programs. Fourth on our list is a Medicare surcharge that many people who are paying it don't realize they can often get rid of. This charge is called IRMAA, which stands for Income-Related Monthly Adjustment Amount. If your income as a single tax filer in 2024 was over $103,000, Medicare is adding an extra charge to your monthly premium. These surcharges can add anywhere from $69.90 to over $443.30 per person each month, and they are also deducted directly from your Social Security payment. Here's what makes this feel particularly unfair for new retirees. Medicare determines this surcharge based on your tax return from 2 years prior. So, if you retired, sold a business, or had a one-off income event that boosted your earnings back in 2024, you are now paying a surcharge in 2026 based on an income level you no longer have. The solution is a specific document, Form SSA 44. This form was created precisely for individuals who have had a life-changing event, such as retirement, a significant loss of income, the death of a spouse, or divorce. You file this form, provide documentation of your current lower income, and the IRMAA surcharge can be significantly reduced or even completely eliminated. You generally have 60 days from the date you receive your IRMAA notice to file this appeal. If that window passes, you'll have to wait for the next annual recalculation. You can download Form SSA 44 from the official ssa.gov website or request a copy at any local Social Security office. Finally, we arrive at Bill number 5, property taxes. If you are 65 or older and own your home, it is highly likely that your state offers a program to reduce, freeze, or partially eliminate your annual property tax liability. The savings can be substantial, ranging from a few $100s to several $1,000s each year. And here is a statistic that should command the attention of every senior homeowner. According to AARP and other independent data from 2026, a shockingly low 8% of the more than 9 million seniors who are eligible for property tax relief programs actually apply for them. This means that over 8 million seniors are overpaying on their property taxes every single year, not because they don't qualify for help, but simply because they never submitted the necessary paperwork. These exemptions are never automatic. Your county assessor's office doesn't just apply a senior discount for you on your 65th birthday. The full tax bill will continue to show up in your mailbox year after year until you take the initiative to file the application yourself. Several states have recently updated their programs for 2026. For example, New York increased its enhanced STAR income limit to $98,700. Texas expanded its homestead exemptions, which became effective this year. Illinois also raised the income ceiling for its Senior Freeze program to $65,000. To find the program available in your area, you can search online for your county's name plus Senior Property Tax Exemption 2026, or you can call your county assessor's office directly. It takes one phone call or one application to unlock savings that can last for as long as you own your home. So, let's recap the full picture. We've covered 5 significant bills that many seniors can either be exempt from or have greatly reduced in 2026. First, the $202.90 Medicare Part B premium, which Medicare savings programs can pay in full. Second, prescription drug costs, which the Extra Help program can lower to a minimal amount. Third, energy bills, which LIHEAP can pay directly to your utility provider, and the summer funding is available now. Fourth, the IRMAA surcharge, which you can appeal and remove using Form SSA 44. And fifth, property taxes, for which senior exemptions are available in every state but only activate once you apply. None of these programs will come looking for you. The government isn't going to call you when an application window opens. Your utility company won't send a letter explaining how you can pay them less. Your county tax assessor won't automatically apply your senior discount. Every single one of these savings opportunities requires you to take one small action. That single step is genuinely the only thing standing between you and keeping more of your hard-earned money. Please share this video with someone you know who is on Medicare or Social Security, a parent, a neighbor, or a friend. A single conversation could fundamentally improve their financial well-being for years to come. Subscribe for more updates, and I will see you in the next video.